Welcome back to Sri Girishwar Arts and Craft. This is Vijaya Balakrishnan. Uh, we have launched, I can say this is the first time ever, we have launched a fridge magnet which is trending in social media. So this will be different and many are doing this. So this time we have also entered into this for giveaways, that is return gifts for Navaratri, Diwali, anything. But this is our own product. And instead of talking lot, I will go directly into the suspense. Let me flip my camera. Yeah, some can find out. This is the Mami Mama, that is Ayyar Mami Mama. Many would have seen my page. I have done a lot in this cutie dolls. I have done this a lot for many weddings. So I thought, why can't I do my own product as a fridge magnet? So that the result of that is this outcome. This is 4 inches height and 3.5 inches wide. This is the Ayyar Mami Mama. The magnet is at the back. Next one, this will be very cute. Do you know what? Ta-da! Telugu Varu. Telugu people will like it, I believe. This is Telugu couple, wedding couple, with the cream color saree and cream color dhoti and kurta with netti pattam, headgear. This is also same size. This one also you put. And another one, without God nothing is complete. So this is the one Tiruvarur Kamalambal, the first one I made in sitting posture, and Tiruvarur Kamalambal, which I think nobody has done earlier. So this is the first doll I made of Tiruvarur Kamalambikai or Kamalambal, whatever it is. It's a different posture actually. God is in different posture. So I want to make this as a Sri Girishwar product. So this can be kept, this is 6 inches. There is a stand also over here. So we can fix in the stand. This is 6 mm thickness. If you want, you can keep in puja room. So these are the new launches. I think you all love it and also give us some orders. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting us. Bye bye.